Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I'm going to show how to make tricolor earrings, goggles, wristband and cap for Independence Day. Take an OHP sheet and cut it into this shape and then color using glass colors. Place the strap and using glue stick it. Next, for making earrings, you can take any plastic and then cut it into round shape and using glass colors color it. Attach the stud as shown. Take any cap and color using acrylic colors. Next, I am showing how to make lighting wristband. Remove the parts from battery operated tea light. Using an OHP sheet, cover it as shown. Color using glass colors. This is how it looks after completing. If you like my videos, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel.